Product Track for Dispensers. Void transactions. There will be times when you need to void a transaction. Maybe product was damaged in transit, or maybe it's involved in a recall. Whatever the reason, DSCSA regulations do not allow you to simply delete the transaction. That's why Product Track enables you to change the transaction status to void and keep a record of all related activity. Specify the receiving location where you need to complete the void, plus enough other information to locate the product in question. Then click on Search. Your results will appear below with some details on each one. Select the transaction in question and click Void Transaction. Using the Reason Code menu, indicate the reason for the void. You also have the opportunity to include additional information in the text box. Down below, you'll see a list of all the items within the transaction. You have the option to either void the entire transaction or to just void select line items. Then click Submit to finalize your update and set the status of the transaction to void. With Product Track, you can easily void transactions in compliance with DSCSA. Product Track for Dispensers. Manage receipts. When you receive product, there are good reasons to confirm that you have also received the correct required compliance documentation. Product Track helps you compare your received product against the associated transaction history, transaction information, and transaction statement, or T3. In Manage Receipts, enter criteria such as ship dates or order number to help you locate the correct record, then click Search. Once you find it, click on Receive Products and Shipment. You will see a field called Transaction Quantity. This is the quantity that was indicated on the electronic transaction or document you received for this product. You will also see a field called Received Quantity. It will be pre-populated with the same number you see under Transaction Quantity to potentially save you data entry time and effort. If the quantity of product you actually received does match what is in both of these fields, you can simply click Submit and move on to your next product or shipment. If you have only received part of your order, edit the amount in the Received Quantity field to reflect that. If you get the remaining product in a subsequent shipment, you will be able to come back to this record and receive additional quantities against that transaction. Product Track helps you manage product receipt and track any discrepancies for good compliance in business operations.